Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please don't be broken. Don't be broken. Don't be broken. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this month's Boxycharm box. Looks like this if you've never seen it. Though I'm sure you have. Yeah, I'm a little nervous about this one, to be honest, and I'll tell you why. Not even joking. When they delivered it the other day, I'm sorry, it's funny because it's like so insane that I can't believe this happened. But when they were delivering it the other day, the mail carrier, because it was delivered through USPS, the mail carrier carried it up to my door until it was about 2-3 feet away from my door. And then all of a sudden I hear a big bang on my door. And then he starts running. This psycho threw my Boxycharm at my door and ran like he was scared of it. So I haven't opened it yet because I wanted this to be like a real unboxing. But fingers crossed, nothing broke. Like, I can't believe that happened. Cannot believe that happened. So yeah, here's hoping everything is okay. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription, and you get 4 to 5 full-sized products that retail far over the $21 that you're paying. I do unboxing videos just about every month on them, and I think they're well worth it. I will put my link down below. I am not sponsored or affiliated in any way, but you can use my link if you want to. It gives me Boxycharms that I can use, I guess, to like buy more products. But you don't have to use my charm. There's plenty of other YouTubers you don't have to use my link. There's plenty of other YouTubers who also have links, or you can just simply go to boxycharm.com and sign up that way. Oh, and if you haven't done so already, please do not forget to subscribe and ring that post notifications bell so that you're notified every single time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. Alright, so we got it open. And right on top we've got the little pamphlet that comes and tells you about all the products and the prices. So far, so good. Everything looks good so far. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. I'm trying not to dump it. Okay. So, and this one's called Totally Boxy. Everything's pink. It's super cute and girly. So let's just get started. The first thing I am pulling out is from Wander Beauty. It is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And it looks like this. Everything will be linked down below too, by the way, if you would like to just buy these products individually. And it says Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time, and this retails for $42. So already your whole box has been paid for double. I'm really excited about this. I love Wander Beauty. So at least the things I've tried from them so far, I've really enjoyed them. And I love getting like skincare stuff, face oils, all that sort of stuff. I've got super dry skin, so this is like a godsend. So I'm super excited to try this out. All right, so the next thing I'm grabbing out is this Tarte Big Ego mascara. And it says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours, and it retails for $23. I've never used this mascara before, but I'm super excited to try this mascara because I think that Tarte just gets mascaras right. So I'm super excited about this. I actually was needing a new mascara anyways, so super excited to try it. The next thing I'm grabbing, it's two things in one, and it is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows, and they look like this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm a little bit disappointed just because like if you saw like on Boxycharm's like their Instagram and their Twitter and stuff, like they posted pictures, and there was another variation of these products that you could get that were different colors, and like the one looks like an icy like silver maybe blue color in the pictures, and it's so pretty, and I really wanted that one, but it's okay. I'm just a sucker for like silvers and icy type of colors, but it's okay because these colors look very pretty too. This first one is in the color Cotton Candy, and it looks like this. And you know what these remind me of? These remind me of the ColourPop pot like shimmers that they have, like little, you know what I mean? It reminds me of that. But this one, ooh, that's pretty though. Looks like that. I don't know if you can see that. I will try to zoom in for you, but yeah, looks like that. It's very pretty pink. Seriously, like these feel exactly like the ColourPop ones. This is insane. All right, so the next one is this one, and it is in the color Iced Latte. It's more like a gold. This one's a very pretty pink. This one's more of a gold. You can see that. It's like an orangey gold. It is very pretty as well. I don't know if you can see that, but again, I'll zoom in. They are very beautiful though. Like I said, I kind of wish I had gotten that more like silvery icy color, but it's okay. These are still really beautiful, and I'm really excited to play with them and like see just how awesome they really are. And this says about them: high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading, and they retail for $25. I'm guessing it's like $25 for the duo, so that's not bad. But if they are exactly the same as ColourPop, just know you can get basically the same product from ColourPop for cheaper, but I mean, these still aren't bad, and I'm glad that I have them. I'm excited to play with them. All right, so the next thing I'm grabbing is the Steve Laurent, what is this? It's a lip pencil, I believe. Like a lip liner, and the color Chic. Looks like this, just like a normal liner. It says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip lines for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours, and it retails for $15. So I guess let's open it up and do a swatch. A little swatcheroony. Guys, if I'm acting like a little weird, I haven't slept in like a week. So at this point I'm delirious. My husband's TDY, my kid, or the baby's not sleeping. My other kids like to be up at like 4 because they're crazy. And yeah, so I've got about 17 layers of concealer on right now, trying to hide the bags, and I'm a little bit delirious because I'm so tired. So I'm sorry. All right, so this is what, ooh, it's a very pretty like nude, like dark nude, if you can see that. But I have to say, it feels really, it's a little crumbly, and it's not very smooth. And I don't like that. I like lip liners to be really smooth, so that I don't feel like I'm like ripping it across my lips. But I'm still excited to try it out and see if I like it, like actually putting it onto my, you know, lips. All right, and the last product that I'm grabbing out of this is the Becca HYDRA-MIST Refresh Powder. HYDRA-MIST and Refresh Powder. I've heard really good things about this. I've never gotten to try it yet, but I typically do love Becca products, so I'm excited about this. It says, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel, and it retails for $39. All right, and I know it was coming in 2 different colors. It looks like I just got like the original color, which is good because the other color was going to be way too dark for me. I was a little nervous about it, not gonna lie. I just want to say this packaging is beautiful. I think that might be why I like Becca products so much. Like, one of the reasons is their packaging is always so sleek and stunning, but that's what it looks like. You guys know I'm a sucker for face powders. I even have a video, which I will link, that is, I'll put it in the cards and in the description box, about my Fave 5 powders, part of the Fave 5 series. And yeah, so let me see. I've heard that this like feels like water, so I need to touch it. I need to touch it, and I need to know if it feels like water. Oh, it feels like water. It actually does. Oh my god. It's powder, and it feels like water. But like I don't feel wet, but like it feels. Okay, this is so cool. I cannot wait to play with this. This might be the thing I'm the most excited about in this entire box. That is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Alright guys, so that was the Boxycharm box for this month, the month of August. And overall, I'm extremely pleased with it. Like I said, I think I'm definitely most excited, as it very clearly showed, for this Becca powder. I mean, it feels like water. It literally does. Like, I thought people were just like saying that. Like, it does. It really feels like water. Like, that's incredibly, like, that's just crazy. I've never, it's a powder and it feels like water. Wow. Okay. It doesn't take much to excite me, clearly. But overall, I'm excited about everything I got. Like I said, the only thing I was even slightly disappointed about was the eyeshadows, just because I really wanted the silver color, but it's okay because I wanted these colors too, and I'm so excited that they have them. So I would say that this box is definitely a win. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I feel like they get it right every month. I don't remember the last time I ever had a box I wasn't happy with. And this month's box, at least the version of it that I got version 2. They all vary slightly, very slightly, but a lot of the products are the same in all of them. But I got version 2, and this box retails out to $144. So, you know, for $21, you're getting $144 worth of products. Like, that's incredible. So, cannot complain. Again, link will be down below if you want to use my link, or you can just go to boxycharm.com, or however you want to do it. Highly recommend it though. I absolutely love getting Boxycharm and will continue to do so for a long time. So I hope if you were thinking about getting Boxycharm, maybe this helped you. And if you got it, let me know down below in the comments what you got in your box this month and how you liked it. If you really liked it, if you didn't like it, all of that stuff. And of course, you can click one of the videos over here to watch next, or you can click my face that's in the circle down below me to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!